Monday, the day after the concert. It's already 7:46 a.m. Yeah, I know it's early, but you know, we have a little one. And I think he slept around 7 p.m. And dire-diretso lang yun. Nagising lang siya mga 12 a.m. kasi he got hungry. And then after that, tuloy-tuloy na. Which is good kasi nakauwi ako mga 11:15. So, great night. But nice. Hindi siya nagising in the middle of the night. But yeah, 7 siya nagigising kasi nga 12 hours usually yung sleeping time nila. So, today's agenda is maglalaba tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Costco kasi magpapagas. Wala na tayong gas, and also mag-grocery because sale ngayon is sobrang ganda, and also and mostly yung mga binibili namin. Hi! Huh? Look guys, nagpa-plank na siya, oh.
I'm a potato.
Time, 8 o'clock. Nasaan? Tama?
Kian!
Tama?
Oh, very good. Very good.
Madulas lang kasi yung suot niya eh. Time check. It's 12:35.
Some leftovers lang for lunch from the fry. And also yung niluto nating kimchi jjigae yesterday nung wala si wife. Nice. Itadakimasu.
Let's see.
A few moments later.
So, time check. It's already 4:15 p.m. I took a nap after folding our clothes because diba sinabayan ko nga si Kian matulog. And now, he is awake and the daddy is still working. So, at 4:45, I think alis na kami for Costco. Here's Kian playing already. Hi, Kian! The chismoso guy.
No!
See? Kian? Hey!
Hey there vlog! Just finished work. So we are on our way to do some errands. We'll go to Costco, then quick run lang din sa Walmart because we're gonna buy lots of baby stuff for our baby boy. Medyo kapoy lang tayo for today dahil Monday blues and gloomy yung weather. So medyo overstimulated pa si Daddy.
Oh no!
After working. Huge thanks to my wife for taking over the initial parts of the vlog. Medyo mahal ang gas guys, so hopefully sobrang mura sa Costco. Sana man lang mga 140-ish, but I highly doubt. But again, those are the things that we cannot control.
True.
And we just pray for the people that are hugely affected. Anyway, see you guys later. We're here.
We're already here at Costco. And first purchase, collagen. Tatlo na binili ko.
Ewan ko nila kung di ka pa magmukhang bata. Naka-sale siya eh. $6 off. $23.99. Ka-ching! Next purchase, mga baterya.
Isn't that amazing?
Dahil ang daming kailangang baterya ni baby boy.
At lagi namin pinag-aaway yung batteries na.
Eh kasi mura-mura lang sa Dollarama. Thanks. Sourdough. Yeah! Free taste. I freaking love sourdough. Favorite bread. Not bad. Nani? Tama na ako yun. Kuha pa daw siya. Naghahabang na si Mrs. dun sa free taste. Tignan mo ito. Nakahabang talaga siya dun. Vlog takeover.
Ano sasabihin ko? Wala naman akong sasabihin. Hi guys, we're waiting for the hubby again.
Vlog takeover. Eggs lang. Alam mo, nagmahal yung milk na. Yung 4 liters na 2%. Ngayon, 6.0 na yun. Crazy! Inflation Israel. Bananas. $24 ang tender juicy dito. Ba't ganun? Ba't di siya red? French onion soup. Medyo matabang. Greek yogurt. Pinakyaw na siya guys kasi naka-sale. Lactose-free yogurt. Enjoy lang muna natin yung free yogurt. I love yogurt. Free merienda. Yeah! Very good, Kian. Let's go. Ayaw daw. Hand soap. Cetaphil. 5 off siya guys until April 12. Not sponsored. Self-checkout.
$14.99. Place your item in the tray. Please remember to take your receipt.
All good in the hood. Kain lang tayo ng dinner. Costco always hits. Ooh, caramel brownie ice cream sundae. May bago. Nice. Waiting for our order. 49, that is me. Oh, can I get some sauces for the chicken?
Honey mustard.
Honey mustard and barbecue, please. Thank you. Woohoo! Ta-da!
You say hi to the vlog. Ay, you're smiling na. You want?
Dinner is served. Sa kanya to lahat, guys. Chicken strips, hot dogs, and pizza. Itadakimasu. Kian. Very good. Very good naman ng Kian. Very good. You're so cute naman.
Ika na dun sa stroller. It's snowing.
Okay, let's go. Haba ng pila, guys.
Oh,
Dami
no!
magpapagas sa Costco. Bumaba yung gas na nasa grocery kami.
Nani?
As of today, 149.9 for unleaded gasoline. Woo! Lamig. At least makakatipid sa Costco. Sulit ang Costco membership. Nice. Pagas lang. Then, we're headed to Walmart to buy some baby food. Let's see kung magkano ang aabutin. 39.41. Sagad natin. 40.55. Crazy. Okay, change of plans guys. Dahil mas kabisado ni Wifey ang Walmart, pati mga bibilin, kami ni baby boy ay naiwan dito sa car. Dahil someone's hungry. Hey. Waiting for mommy. You play with Mr. Penguin muna, ha? Hoy! Hoy, Mr. Penguin. Mommy's here. Okay. So, dahil nasa likod na daw ako, siya na daw magdadrive. Yeah! Parang 2 years akong hindi nakaupo dito. Hi, Ate Grab.
Hello there.
You know, 5-star ka mamaya sa akin.
Wow!
Snowy weather. Sleeping na may Canadian boy.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 17. Time check, it's 9:47 a.m. We are early today because we are going to early on. So yung early on is like a play date with other kids. Gusto ko siya kasing maging sociable, hindi takot sa tao, you know. That's why I always go here every Tuesday. May calendar sila every month. For him, it's baby time. Ages, I think 0 to 18 months yung nandun. It's just 10 minutes away from home. Hindi ako masyado makakapag-vlog doon kasi syempre madaming kids. We will try our best to get some clips. Also, after early on, pupunta ang ninang Mikey ni Kian sa bahay. So, magla-lunch muna kami sa bahay. And then, 1:30 kasi gagamitin ni hubby yung car for work. So, sasakay tayo sa car ni Mikey. Punta kaming Panda Mart. Hi. You like that? Quick update. It's already 11:25. We're done with early on. So, uwi na kami. We'll just wait for Mikey na makarating. After lunch, then alis na tayo ulit. Long time no see. Patagilid na siya matulog.
Kasama sa inyo may meeting ako. Okay lang. Sorry.
Ang pala ng cheeks! Hi! Oh my God, ang laki-laki mo na! Ninang! Hi! Wala, may ngibin ka na! Mukha ni Kiko! Mas kamukha niya si Kiko! Ang bigat-bigat mo na! Oh, sarap-sarap naman ito! Ay, ang chunky-chunky! Ang chunky-chunky ng baby! Iyan! Hi! Oh, yung baby na yan! Grabe, ano ba pinapakain mo sa kanyang bigat niya na?
Sabi ni doctor pang 1-year-old. Medyo advanced siya.
Yeah! Sure ka 8 months pa lang to? You look like you're 1-year-old na! Yay! Yum, yum.
At saka sa way ng tulog niya.
Yummy!
You say thank you.
Ang galing-galing!
Ano ba talaga pinapakain mo sa kanya?
Wait a minute.
Hold? Ay. Say, Oy, ang galing! Ay, nagulat! Sobra naman ang grip nito. Hello! Parang Velcro.
Nani?
Ako naman. Sarap.
Nice.
Okay. Ang sarap, parang gusto ko mag-baby massage. Hey guys, we are out again and we are at Mikey's car. We are on the way to Panda Mart with Kia. Yay! Bilang na bilang sa'yo. Kaya nga. Bill kaya maliit. Here at Seafood City. This is where I went. Whoa! 2 years ago. Yes, say hi. You know.
Hello there.
Guys, this is where I worked before sa baker.
Nice.
OMG! Ilang buwan na?
8.
Hi, Bebe! Name mo?
Kian.
Hi, Kian! Ang mukha ng asawa mo, hindi mo kasi Si Daddy ka mo ba? Hi, Bebe! See you around. Kabait naman yan.
Busog eh. At saka may tulog.
Pangatlong tao na yun, G.
Talaga yan.
Ayan na. Look, yung mahiwagang milk.
Kian. Hi. Hi.
Very good.
Ay, ang cute. Laki ng smile.
Wow. Good night, Ninang.
Good night.
Good night. And say thank you, Nina, for changing me 3 times. Dinner is served. Korean barbecue. Banchan muna tayo, tsaka corn. Baked salmon a la Conti's for dinner. And some eggs and rice. Siya wala. Kumasipag ka mag-drive from Mississauga.
Maraming salamat sa food. Yeah, for me.
Okay.
Hi guys! So someone called me kasi na-miss daw niya ako. Wow! It's Mayeng!
Like and subscribe.
Siya lagi kong kausap kasi stay-at-home mom rin siya, like me. Lagi ko siyang kausap sa lahat ng bagay. Diba? Lagi kaming dugyot, walang ligo. Laging nasa labas or kaya nag-rant kung ano-ano, like about baby stuff.
Everything.
Nice.
Yeah.
Long time no see, baby. How you been? Are you pooping? No.
Pooping? I know this girl, sabi niya.
Hello there.
Ayun na, tumatawa na. It's already 1:41. Ka-video call ko si Mayeng kasi every morning talaga magka-call kami. Not like every day, but most of the time talaga. Lalo na ngayon na mag-isa lang rin kami sa house. Lalo na very emotional talaga ako as a mom. Ang coping ko is kumausap ng mga tao talaga. Like, sobrang daldal ko as a person. Sobrang nakaka-help talaga sa akin si Mayeng na same kami ng situation or nakaka-relate siya sa akin. Sa mga moms out there, call nyo ako.
Wait a minute.
Call nyo lang ako. Today, sobrang nakakapagod lang because upset yung stomach ni Kian. And very clingy siya ngayon, cranky siya, gusto niya hawak lang siya, ganyan, mabilis siya mabore, or onti yung patience niya ngayon, hindi siya nagpapastay sa playpen. So, kailangan ko siyang kunin agad. Minsan, kailangan ko rin pa-milk kasi nga, syempre, baka dehydrated na. Ngayon, tulog na siya. Kumakain ako ng lunch. Lunch ko is yung tira namin from last night. Udon. And of course, Coke. Minsan lang to. Hindi talaga pinapayagan ni Hiko na mag-Coke ako. But then, sabi ko, okay, gusto ni Mikey ng Coke. Eh di, napabili siya. Ang plan natin today is mag-Pilates ng 5:05 p.m. Umalis lang si Kiko for work. Pumunta siya ng Burlington. Hindi daw siya mga 4. So, sakto lang yon. Minamatch ko talaga yung Pilates ko sa schedule niya. Kasi syempre, kaming dalawa lang naman. Yun na naman, kakain ako kasi alam niyo naman, pag babies, on off, so baka magising na siya. Hi guys, time check. It's already 4:38 p.m. Umuwi na si Hobby, so siya na nag-aalaga kay Kian ngayon. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi naglalaro lang kami ni Kian. Nagising siya after 2 hours yata nung nap niya. Tapos ayun, hanggang sa dumating yung dad niya. Nag-ayos na ako for Pilates kasi sakto lang yung dating ni Hobby. Wait ko kayo later kung makakapag-vlog ako, but if not, edi wala kayong makikitang clip. We'll see. Baka mamaya introvert ako. Huh? Okay, bye-bye. Guys, we are already here. I'll show you kung saan ako nagpipilates na malapit sa amin.
A few moments later.
Update guys. It's already 6:12. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because daming tao. Full yung class, so nahiya na ako mag-vlog. Sobrang hirap yung Pilates na yon. Nauwi na tayo and then kain na tayo ng dinner. Tapos mag-rest na tayo. Bye-bye!